happening, y'all? This is your boy J5, aka The Plug, aka The Prophet. Y'all been acting crazy out there, and you better stop it. So what's up, world? Truck drivers here and there and everywhere. Well, I'm headed home back to North Carolina. Let me tell y'all what happened. Okay, so I went to Texas to the yard, and I was supposed to have left 2 days ago. I get to the yard, I already done dropped the load in the yard. I done went and picked up another load. I'm good. I need to head out, right? So my boss tell me, nah, hold up, we need to take a look at that trailer. I said, I already inspected the trailer. You know, we drop the hook and we keep it moving. I wanted to go ahead and leave, drive a little bit more, get my rest once I stop, and then keep it moving. I'd have been home by now. I'm in Knoxville, Tennessee right now. I'd have been home. I'd have been done dropped this load off, because I supposed to have dropped this load off today. I'd have been done dropped this load off at 3 p.m. in Burlington, North Carolina, and I'd have been home in Raleigh by now. So, anyways, he wanted me to wait. See, we got an in-house mechanic, but you know, sometimes his work can be suspect. Yeah, I'm saying this because this truck been giving me problems for a minute. It's always something. It ain't this, it's that. And I was in Virginia, Fredericksburg, Virginia, 2 weeks ago, and the truck knocked off on me. Let me see. The power steering block went, power steering went, so I didn't have no power steering. I was standing up in the truck, trying to turn, trying to get it up off the road, pulled it in a parking lot. The compressor, the air compressor went. So, now mind you, I got to get the air compressor fixed, and I got to get the steering fixed. No power steering. Can't drive it with no power steering. You can kill somebody. Anyways, I was broke down. I called somebody to come look at it. Dude came look at it. Dude came and looked at it and told me I'm gonna have to get it towed. I had to pay him $248 to do his diagnosis. Anyways, after that I had to get it towed, and so I got it towed to a shop. I was in Fredericksburg, Virginia, and I ended up having to stay in a hotel for like 5 days, because every day they tell me, okay, we finished, you know, it'll be ready in a few minutes. Next thing you know, they calling me back. I got something else to do, or we got to get another part for this. Tomorrow we got to send a mechanic. to go get another part for that. 5 days I'm in the hotel in Fredericksburg, Virginia. With the cost of the hotel and the cost of the truck and towing and all the parts, everything cost me $8 grand, $8,000. Cost me $8 grand. So I went to see this guy, and he wanted to take a look at the trailer I was picking up. I'm like, you knew I was coming to town the day before. Why didn't you have your? Now this is Sunday. Whenever I got to Texas, he knew he knew Saturday that I was on my way to Texas. I shut down like 2 hours away from the place. We had a conversation. So I'm telling him Sunday, I'm picking it up, I'm out of there. He telling me, wait, let's wait till Monday, get my mechanic to check the trailer and everything. I said, you knew I was coming to town Saturday. Why couldn't you have him check it already before I got there? So, and this is after I had went there and picked up the load. And I shut down, to run my clock out. I shut down, put it in sleeper so I can just chill for the rest of the day. How about I go to the shop, I go back up there to the yard where I got the trailer from. His dude look at the trailer, he gotta put another tire on the trailer. He gotta do this, he gotta do that. I'm sitting there for 4 hours. 4 hours. Which brings me back to my point. My first point. I'm supposed to be home already. See, that backed me up. It backed me up. And instead of me getting home at 5:30, I'm gonna end up getting home at like 10 o'clock at night. That's what goes on out here in this trucking industry. There's always one thing after the other. Man, I need a haircut too. I need a haircut. Gotta shave. See, look. My hair growing back. Yeah, I keep it bald, but it's growing back. Now look at me. I'm looking like George Jefferson or Red Fox, Sanford or something. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all didn't even know I had hair, did you? I've been shaving my head bald since 1996. Now look at that. I almost got a full head of hair. If I stay out here any longer, I've been out here for 3 weeks. So, yeah, let me get on back home. I got stuff I gotta do. Shaving my head is one of them. Alright, thank y'all for checking me out. This is J5, the plug. Always remember, trust God and keep the faith. Peace.